Once you arrive at our service department, all you have to do is approach the door and it will automatically open.
Yeah, you need to pull up with your car.
Once you pull in, one of our friendly service advisors will greet you. Here at Nissan of Huntington, our service advisors are well equipped to solve any problem you may have. Yes, all of our services come with a complimentary, detailed cleaning. Here is our comfortable waiting area. Are you hungry? Over here we have our vending machines. And oh, I know you'll love this. Every Thursday and Saturday, we offer complimentary manicures. Need to recharge, refuel? Feel free to recharge your phones here and access our free Wi-Fi. And have a cup of coffee or tea on us. And here's where our cashier will assist you with your final transaction. And look, your car is already done.
Here you go.
Are you serious?